Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Happy Sunday and happy fun day. So today's video is a little different than my usual video, but I thought I would share it since I was asked if I would sew something for someone else. So I asked if it was okay for me to share this information. So today's video is about how a friend's daughter is currently pregnant. She has $300 to spend on maternity clothes. She went inside Motherhood to find 10 items to purchase, but she could not get many items due to the cost of the items she wanted. So this is where good old Rochelle, the couponer, comes into the rescue. All right. Now, before we get started, hit the like button and the subscribe button, and also turn on that notification bell so you are notified every time I upload a new video. So I also want to thank all of my new and returning subscribers for the love and support for this channel. So let's get started into this video. So first, how this all started was when I received a call from a high school friend who asked if I could sew 10 items for her daughter, who is currently 4 months pregnant. Now she has outgrown all of her clothes that she's currently in. Well, as a sewer, as you know, our answer is definitely no, and more no's. Okay, now I love you, but now that's not what I'm trying to do. So, I explained how I do not have the time to get the 10 items sewn at the moment. So I told her mom, hey, you can sew. You're able to sew them up. You can sew a few items within the next month or two. So that's what we decided on, and that's what she's currently doing. All right. So what we did was we held a Zoom call with my friend Siobhan and Cheyenne, which is her daughter, this week, and we ironed out all the plans. So Cheyenne gave her mom and I a strict guideline of nothing with knits. She doesn't like knits. What can I say? Now, in my head, I was saying, girl, that's the best for pregnancy. But I already know, with me having 2 children, I already know that the hormones are going on. So I just said, okay, and kept it pushing. Now, she pulled up the items in her cart from Motherhood, and my job was simple. It was to help find patterns to sew up, which was not as easy as you would think. It's not easy, okay? So let's get into the pattern she wanted to sew up, she's currently sewing up, and how much everything costs. So Cheyenne chose 10 items. She chose 7 dresses and 3 tops. Now, I'll show the 6 items first of what she showed me from Motherhood, which was 3 dresses and 3 tops, and then some additional items that she looked at and she chose and purchased fabric for as well. All right, so let's go ahead and get into Motherhood items first. So the first item Cheyenne showed me from Motherhood was this tie sleeve smock waist midi maternity dress. On the website, it is $70, but $35 if you sign up for Motherhood newsletter. Well, she did not want to do that. So she pressed with our plans. So I explained, I knew Butterick was on sale last week that ended, I believe it ended Sunday or Monday of this past week on the 4th of July, and how she can get the pattern for $2 during that sale, the fabric for approximately $25, and have approximately a $27 dress, which she can save $8. So she chose Butterick 6654 for the dress, and she wants to use McCall 7974 for the sleeve ties of this dress. Now, the fabric she chose is from Joann's. It's at $4.99 a yard. She also purchased 6 yards of this fabric, and also all the fabric that she got, she did the 20% off if you do pickup. Some of them, I believe she did multiple pickups, so it wasn't just 20% off. Some of them were 25% off the day that she picked up. So I have used 20% off to make it easy to show you what it was like. Now, her total to make this dress was $25.50. Okay, like, come on, $70 to $25.50. Good deal. Okay, so she saved more than half of that. All right, so moving on to dress number 2, she chose the smock flutter sleeve tiered midi maternity dress. On the website, it is $78. So she chose Simplicity 9454 for the dress. The fabric she chose is also from Joann at $4.99. She purchased 5 yards of this fabric, and of course, because she picked it up, she saved that 20% off. So her total to make this dress was $21.25, which was a 72% saving, or you could say $56.75. Come on, Rochelle's on the rescue. Okay, Rochelle's on board. Now, dress number 3. It was a tie strap sleeveless maternity maxi dress. On the website, it is $70. So she chose New Look 6617 for this dress. The fabric she chose is also from Joann's. Now, all the fabric is not from Joann. She started switching it up, but she decided to go with fabrics that are on the lower cost to get more items. So that's why you hear Joann's quite a bit. So Joann's for $4.99. She purchased a total of 9 yards of this fabric. And of course, 20% off for picking up in stores. So her total to make this dress was also $21.25, saving 70%, or you could say $48.75 on this dress. She also chose the smock puff sleeve maternity top to do in this same fabric. Now on the website, it is $50. So she chose to do New Look 6708 for this top. And she purchased the 4 yards for this fabric. So 5 yards for the dress and 4 yards for the top, making it 9 yards. So her total to make this top was $14.88, which is a savings of 69% off the regular price, or you could say $33.12. Perfect. Now moving on to the tops for Motherhoods. The second top she chose from Motherhood is the woven fluttered sleeve maternity top. On the website, it is $48. So she chose a pattern that's very similar. It's Simplicity 9546 for this top. The fabric she chose is also from Joann's at $4.99. She decided to purchase 3.5 yards of this fabric. So her total to make this top was $14.88, also saving her 69%, or a total of $33.12. Oh, what a savings, okay? And the last top she chose from Motherhood is this sleeveless button front maternity blouse. On the website, it is $40. She chose Butterick 6562, which I did a sew along for this. By the way, I will put it on the end screen as well. The fabric she chose is also from Joann's. Now she chose this linen fabric from Joann's, which she purchased 3 yards for at $9.74. So her total to make this top would be $24.90, saving her $15.10, or a 38% savings. Okay. Now, after we looked at all the stuff from Motherhood, she decided on more patterns that I was just suggesting to her from a folder that I had that I thought would be really good for maternity. Now, the folder was not entitled maternity clothes, right? It was just basically a folder that I had a lot of dresses, and I was saying, oh, this would look good because, you know, this line art and all that good stuff. So she chose 4 additional patterns, and all the patterns were dresses. So the first dress was McCall 8213, which you guys know I am sewing this up as part of the dress series, which if you don't know about my dress series, I will put it on the end screen so you can see that. All right. The fabric she chose is from House of Mami Wata. The fabric actually is $8.20 per yard, but since House of Mami Wata is currently having a sale, if you spend $35, you get free shipping and 2 yards of free fabric till July 17th. Okay, so you still have another week to make your plans, make your purchase from House of Mami Wata. All right. So she decided to color block using the free fabric she received for the 2 yards when she purchased, you know, some fabric for a different project. And she's going to use scrap fabric from her stash for the solid. So the solid color is from her stash, and the 2 free yards of fabric was free. So she saved 100% and spent nothing. Okay. So the next pattern was McCall's 8192. She wants to do view B on this pattern. She strictly wanted an Ankara print. So she opted for the 30% sale that was going on last week over at Afric Clothing Store, Miss Cynthia website, where she scored this mix and match print for $28. So she's planning on color blocking with these two fabrics, and I just want to know what it would be like, okay? So she scored it for $28. So I just want to see what it's going to come out looking like once her mom sews this up, all right? So the next pattern is Butterick 6872 View B. It's a high waist dress with the square neckline pattern. So I started seeing a trend of she wanted a lot of tiers. Everything has to have pockets, of course. So, you know, for this dress, she wanted to go with a gingham or a plaid. So she settled for this white and orange stripe and car fabric, also from Afric Clothing Store. This fabric cost her $29.40 for 6 yards, okay? So that was a steal when she was using that 30% off savings, all right? And the last dress she chose is one of my favorites. I haven't gotten around to sewing this dress, but now I want to. So this pattern is McCall 7969. She wants View A. She purchased 6 yards of fabric from House of Mami Wata, which she spent $39.46. So overall, if you think about it, if she would have purchased the 6 items from Motherhood, she would have spent $262. This would save her only $38. Now, with sewing everything together, she would spend $219.52, which would save her $80.48. Also, she would get 4 more items and have more money in her pocket, and know that she will cherish these makes for a while. All right. So that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed, and just let me know in the comment section below, which way would you go regarding a maternity wardrobe? Would you go with Motherhood purchase and save the time, or would you sew the items together little by little once you or someone that you know, or a granddaughter, a sister, or whatever, you would sew them once you find out that they're pregnant? Which way would you go? I would love to know. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell so you are notified every time I upload a new video. So I'll catch you in the next video, and as always, keep sewing.